Hi everyone, so this is my code for training. Let's quickly go through it. First I've imported all the necessary modules and then I've defined a model architecture which consists of two convolution 2D layer, two max pooling 2D layer and a flatten layer, a dropout layer and two dense layers. Then I've compiled my model using Adam optimizer, binary cross entropy loss function and evaluation metric taken as accuracy. Then this is a part to my training data. And then I've created an instance of ImageDataGenerator class. Basically this class is used for augmenting the data. And then I've used a function view from directory which creates a generator which then loads images from the directory which I have specified in the training directory here. And then it will apply the augmentation specified in this instance and will save it in train_generator. And I have done the same for validation dataset. Then I've created a checkpoint for saving the model weights. And then lastly, a fit method is called with train_generator object. What it will do, it will generate batches of augmented image data on the fly and then it will feed them to the model for training. And that concludes our model training process. Let's quickly go towards testing. So this is my testing file. Here first I have imported all the necessary libraries and I have loaded my model which I have previously saved using model checkpoint and then created two dictionaries which we will refer later. And then with CV2.video capture, I have captured images using webcam. And then for facial detection, we have used a pre-trained haar cascade classifier. And then there is a continuous loop. The webcam will continuously read the image. It will flip it. It will resize it. It will detect the features using haar cascade classifier. And for each phase, it will extract the ROI, which is region of interest. It will apply some operations as resizing and normalization so that the values will lie between 0 and 1. And then it will stack all these phases which have detected. And then it will use model to predict the probabilities. So either it will get 0 or 1. So we will use argmax so that we can get the label of that prediction. So by using that label, we will go to our dictionary and extract without mask or with mask or either red color or green color. And then we will draw a rectangle using CV2.rectangle here. First it will draw a rectangle on a face and then on that bounding box it will create another rectangle and then it will put the text on that filled rectangle. The text will represent either it is with mask or without mask. If it is with mask, then the bounding box will be of green color. If it is without mask, then the bounding box will be of red color. And that it will show using CV2.ImShow function. And then if the escape key is pressed, the loop, we will come out of the loop and we will destroy all the windows. And that summarizes our code.